I think the easiest thing to do for this guy would be just to use the existing trusses as they are. Just make sure you have them in the same place. And you have two groups here. I'm just going to delete one of them. I don't know. Oh, I guess I'm trying to figure out. Are they the same? I think they are the same. So there seems to be two groups here. So if I delete that one, is it the same as this one? Yeah, it is. So anyway, just make sure you have one. And then I'm just going to ungroup this guy. Ungroup it. And then I'll just Boolean union all of the stuff, together. Let's give it a second. And then merge all coplanar faces and just sort of clean it up, right? Where it's, doing its thing. And then let's turn off the concrete and those guys, and that's locked. And just get it in the right place so you can bring it in using 000 for the other stuff, and then pick it and then go to File, Export Selected. You can do it as a 3DM, so I'll just say, trusses here and click Save. I'll just put it on my desktop, right? And then I would just bring it into Revit. You probably already know how to do this, but just go to Insert, and you can link it or import it. If I go to Import and I go get the 3DM file, it's going to let me import category, and I would just go ahead and pick Structural Framing, right, for that. And then I'll just go grab that guy, Trusses, and click Open. Right, and let's see. Oh, they're apparently very far away from. Seems odd that they're that far away from 000. So let's Control Z back out of that and go to the site plan. And if I go to Insert, Import CAD, it's doing origin to origin. So just make sure in Rhino. I don't know where your origin is here. So if I go in, apparently your origin is way over here. So just make sure that if it's in the right place, that's fine. But maybe instead of doing origin to origin, you just import it and move it into place. So if you do that, you can just go to Revit and go to Import CAD again. And instead of using origin to origin, you can use center to center. And if you click on it now and set that to Structural Framing and open, it should put it right near. Apparently it's very weird that it's sort of putting it over there. Anyway, you can go and there it is. So you can go and move it to 000 or find a consistent place that the building is in Revit, or you can just bring it in. And if we take a look at it, right, in 3D, right, it looks like that. And so let's see, where is it? You'll have to go in, and figure out, how to get it into place. And if I go to level 2, right, it should see how it's sectioning it. So if I go to TL, it's sectioning it. So if I go to BV and select all and change the cut patterns to just do a solid orange, so you can see it. Click OK, click OK, click OK. So it'll section that guy and you'll see it in the background. So that's the way I would do it. That's kind of the easiest way, I think.